What's up YouTube, Tay here from TayBookings.com, helping you find different ways to make money online. Today I'm going to show you how you can make an extra $50 a day in PayPal Cash over and over again. If that sounds good to you, then stick around to the end of the video, and while you're at it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. So bring up the first site, we have ysense.com. With this site, you can earn PayPal Cash by taking surveys, completing tasks, and watching ads. Something you'll immediately notice is that there is no point system. You can see by looking at the surveys that they offer, they are giving away cash. So there's none of that trying to figure out what the points convert to. So looking at the list of surveys, you can see that they range from a few cents to a few dollars. And there's a lot to choose from. So you have plenty of options when it comes to taking these surveys. Now, I have mentioned this before in one of my other videos, but an issue people are having when it comes to these survey sites is that some people will either get cut short during the survey or they will get to the end and not get anything at all. The reason is, in most cases, is that answers that you gave in the surveys aren't consistent. The thing with these survey sites is that they will either ask you trick questions or they will reword a previous questions to see how you respond. They do this to disqualify people who are just clicking through to finish the survey. If you see the same question or theme over and over again, stop. Take your time and make sure you are giving the same consistent answers. If surveys aren't your thing, then you can check out the offer tab. Here you can check out things like tasks, apps, and ads to earn cash that way. You'll also have the option to refer people and make commissions off of every successful sign-up and bonus commission when your referrals complete surveys. When you're ready to cash out, you have the option to get rewarded through gift cards or through PayPal Cash. The minimum required to cash out with PayPal is $10. So once you hit that threshold, you'll be able to cash out and put that money to good use. Another site I want to bring your attention to is Vendale Research. Like ysense, they pay straight cash for doing surveys and completing tasks. As you can see, as I scroll down, there are surveys that you can take that offer up to $5. Remember what I said earlier, take your time and be consistent with your survey answers and look out for those trick questions. If you want to do things other than surveys, be sure to check out the panel tab, where you can get paid to do other tasks. Something interesting about Vendale Research is that they post local job listings based on where you're located. This isn't something I see on other sites. If you're in need of a job, you can check out this tab. I will warn you though that it's a little hard to read the description of each job because everything is all jumbled together, which is a bit of a pain, but again, if you're in need of a job, I would still check it out. Just like with ysense, you can cash out via PayPal, but the minimum for this site is a bit higher. In order to cash out with Vendale Research, you'll need to meet a threshold of $50, which, yeah, is a lot. Alright, so this is how you can make up to an extra $50 a day in PayPal Cash. I would suggest using both these sites side by side, that way you can maximize your earning potential. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and found it useful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this out with anybody who you think will find this video useful. Links for everything talked about today will be down in the description box below. Also, you'll find a link to my #1 recommended way to make money online. This is what I use to take care of me and my family, so be sure to check it out as well. Alright, that's all I got. See you in the next video. Take care.